If we move down to the cerebellum, we will see that the cerebellum is divided into two halves, and that is the left and the right cerebellar hemisphere. The cerebellum is responsible for functions that include proprioception, which essentially is allowing the person to have constant information about where they are in the world. When we look at the inside of the cerebellum, we'll see that the middle of it, just the matter of the cerebellum, is known as the arbor vitae. And this is the white matter of the cerebellum. So as we can see, the cerebellum, when it is intact, it allows the person to have constant information to and from the brain to the extremities of the person so that the person has constant information about where their body is in the world and in the environment that they're in.